Properties of cathode rays. The first property, the cathode rays travel in straight lines. This property can be understood by using this simple experiment. This is a cathode and anode will be in this side. So the electrons will be emitted from the cathode towards the anode. So if we will keep any object in between the cathode and the cathode rays passing through the object will produce a clear shadow on the screen. This shows that cathode rays travel in straight lines. Second property, the cathode rays consist of an invisible stream of negatively charged particles. This can be clearly understood by using this simple experiment. This is a cathode, this is an anode. So the cathode rays will move from the cathode towards the anode. If the XX plates are provided with the potential like this plate is connected to positive and this plate is connected to negative. And now the cathode ray beam gets attracted towards the positive plate. This proves that they are made up of negatively charged particles. So in general, the cathode rays are deflected by electric fields. Cathode rays can also be deflected by magnetic fields. This is a cathode and this is an anode. These two are called electrodes. So the electrode emitted by the cathode will be negatively charged particles. These charged particles will move towards the anode. On its way, if we will apply the magnetic field, then the electron beam gets deflected along this particular direction. By applying Fleming's left-hand rule, we can prove that they are negatively charged particles. Third property, cathode rays travel with 1/10 the velocity of light, and hence they possess great kinetic energy. This can be clearly understood by the simple experiment. When the cathode rays are made to fall on a mica paddle wheel, then the wheel starts rotating. This experiment shows that the rays possess great amount of kinetic energy. Property number 4. Cathode rays ionize the gas through which they pass. Property number 5. They produce fluorescence. Property number 6. They affect the photographic plates. Property number 7. When the cathode rays fall upon matter, they produce heat. Property number 8. When cathode rays are suddenly stopped by a target, it produces X-rays.